up, guys? This is the third part of Pokemon XY Roaring Skies Booster Pack unboxings. Me, Ash Harris. Let's get into it. Alright, take the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Swablu, Wurmple, Nincada, Binacle, Spearow, Ninjask, Shelgon, Revive, Reverse Hollow Togekiss, and Rare Trainer Oh my god, Ultra Rare Full Art Trainer Wily! Again, another one! Dude, this is like awesome! Sleep in it! Sleep in it! Oh my god! Boy! That's my, look! 2 in a row! First the Full Art Latias EX, now Full Art Wily Trainer? What? Dude, this is sick! Alright, see you guys later, bye!